You made it, Lydia. How's the flight?
Good, I slept the whole time.
That's great. M&M factory. It's a wall full of M&Ms. All different flavors. Here they all are.
You just stand right in the window like a outside.
Oh yeah. Coca-Cola factory now.
These Bejeweled Coke bottles were $2,400.
Got the big syrups here. Huge. Better get one.
It's only like
Tempting. Birthday cake kisses. Reese's peanut butter sauce. You can make your own right here. 35 bucks. World's largest Hershey bar. Look at this thing. It's huge. How's your burger?
Pretty good.
I don't know. Damn.
This is so weird.
it's cold.
The sand?
Oh,
Wow,
it's just,
look at
this is
that.
just weird.
This is weird.
Just seeing like red and then the green from the.
Look at that contrast.
It's like Minecraft.
It is.
How you liking this vacation?
It's great.
That's good.
Except for I want to climb up to that arch and it won't let me. There's signs everywhere that says not to do it.
But you really
So
want
I'm
to?
disappointed. 2 stars for this one.
2 stars.
It's my review.
Not good.
Post it.
Heading to Albertsons to get some breakfast.
Breakfast. Zion National Park.
Wait in line.
Getting on the shuttle.
Hands for more than 20 seconds. Avoid touching your face and cough or sneeze into your elbow. Please practice physical distancing both indoors and outdoors, and wear a face covering when you are unable to maintain your physical
2.5 miles to Angel's Landing.
Yeah.
Sorry. Whew. Almost there. Okay.
No, pero mejor empezamos a
Oh yeah, this is it.
The remainder of the hike was pretty sketchy, so I couldn't get much footage on my GoPro.
How was the hike?
It was steep and narrow, crowded. Yeah.
Yeah, chains all the way up.
Yeah, now we gotta go down it.
Yeah.
Hopefully not slip and die.
Made it to the top. So yeah. Canyon on each side.
Oh, look at the sled.
Alrighty, we're at the Coral Pink Sand Dunes in Utah.
Oh, this sand sucks.
Hiking up the ridge of this sand dune. There we go.
Check out these buses, natural gas powered. Pretty cool.
Heading to the Grand Canyon.
Right back to the top.
Oh, these guys are just taking supplies.
So how's this Grand Canyon experience been for you today?
Pretty sure you guys are trying to kill me.
This is a shorter hike than yesterday.
Yeah, look how high it is uphill.
It is pretty steep.
I'm not looking forward to those.
Yeah, that's gonna suck. Say bye now.
what happens when you go too far, too fast. Not good. Not good. So how'd that hike go?
Easy. 26 miles, nothing to it.
Wow.
Down and back one day,
Mm-hmm. Is that fun?
nothing to it. Didn't even have to have any water.
There you go.
They come in smaller lots. Small. Chocolate, please, yes.
Here's a coffee shop. Route 66. Here they are. There's Mater. Got some locks on here. Bunch of stickers. Taking a break at the rest stop. Just going to the bathroom and watching the sunset. We're at a resort here in Arizona and going to check out the pool. How's this pool?
I just about drowned
Just about drowned?
in 3 feet of water.
Good swimmer. How's your swimming going? You like this place?
Yeah, it's nice. It's very nice. Okay.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
How's your swimming going?
Good. Just do a handstand.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
That's good.
I'm coming.
Like a fish.
Oh yeah.